The fight against cancer, the power of food. The fight against cancer, the power of food. Cancer is a life-altering disease that touches millions of lives around the world. It's a disease that not only affects the person diagnosed, but also their loved ones and the entire community. The medical community has made tremendous progress in developing new and innovative treatments. But what many people don't realize is that the foods they eat can play a critical role in their cancer journey. A healthy diet can not only help cancer patients feel better and have more energy, but it can also help to support the body's natural defenses and reduce the risk of recurrence. As cancer patients undergo treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation, their bodies undergo a significant amount of stress, and their nutritional needs change. The right foods can help to support the body's natural defenses, provide energy, and reduce the risk of infection. While the wrong foods can contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and weakened immune function. In this video, we'll dive into the foods that have been shown to fight against cancer and support the body's natural defenses, as well as the foods that cancer patients should avoid in order to reduce the risk of recurrence and support their overall health. We'll also discuss the importance of talking to your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on what to eat during cancer treatment. So, let's get started. Foods that fight against cancer. Fruits and vegetables are some of the most powerful weapons in the fight against cancer. They are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that can help to protect cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and prevent the development of cancer. Some of the best options include brightly colored fruits like berries, leafy greens like spinach and kale, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. Whole grains, such as brown rice, whole wheat, and quinoa, are high in fiber and contain a variety of essential vitamins and minerals that can help to protect against cancer. The fiber in whole grains also helps to reduce inflammation in the body and promote a healthy gut microbiome, both of which can play a role in reducing the risk of cancer. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are a rich source of fiber, protein, and a variety of important vitamins and minerals. They also contain compounds that can help to protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and reduce the risk of cancer. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are a rich source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. And they contain phytochemicals that can help to protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Herbs and spices, like turmeric and garlic, contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to protect cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and prevent the development of cancer. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help to support your body's natural defenses and reduce your risk of cancer. Foods to avoid. When it comes to cancer, it's not just what you eat, but also what you don't eat that can make a difference. There are certain foods and ingredients that can increase inflammation and oxidative stress, which can promote the growth of cancer cells. Some of these foods include processed and packaged foods are often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, artificial preservatives, flavors, and colors, which can negatively impact your health. They are also typically low in nutrients and high in calories, which can lead to weight gain and a higher risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Consuming large amounts of red and processed meats can increase the levels of a substance called heme iron in the body, which has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. In addition, many processed meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which are added as preservatives and can be converted into carcinogenic compounds when they are consumed. It's best to limit your intake or opt for leaner cuts. Alcohol can increase oxidative stress in the body and cause inflammation, both of which can increase the risk of cancer. Furthermore, alcohol can damage DNA and other genetic material in cells, increasing the risk of mutations that can lead to cancer. It's important to be mindful of the amount of sugar you consume, as high sugar diets can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and inflammation, all of which are risk factors for cancer. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks, try to opt for healthier options, like fruits, nuts, or yogurt, which can help to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. Additionally, it's important to read food labels and watch out for hidden sugars in products like condiments, sauces, and packaged foods. By reducing your sugar intake, you can help to lower your risk of cancer and support your overall health. Refined carbohydrates are often high in added sugars, which can contribute to insulin resistance and inflammation. They are also quickly absorbed and cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to increased insulin levels, oxidative stress, and inflammation. All of these factors can increase the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Refined carbohydrates can be found in many common food items, such as white bread, pasta, pastries, and baked goods made with white flour. They can also be found in many sugary drinks, such as soda and fruit juice, as well as in many processed snacks and sweets. It's important to read ingredient labels and look for foods that are made with whole grains instead of refined carbohydrates, to help reduce your risk of cancer and other health problems. Remember, it's important to work with a healthcare professional to create a customized diet plan that's right for you. And, of course, eating a balanced and nutritious diet is just one part of a comprehensive approach to cancer treatment and prevention. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos on how to live a healthy and balanced life. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more content that makes a positive impact on your life.